In the modern world, your life is protected by an invisible lock. It guards your bank account, your secrets, your entire identity.
You are told this lock is unbreakable, that a supercomputer would take longer than the age of the universe to guess the key.
But here is the shocking truth. A machine is being built right now that can break every single. The moment it switches on, every digital secret you hold dear, your money. To understand the threat, you must understand the rules we live by. Classical computing uses bits. But the quantum world operates under a weird new rule.
A classical machine is forced to check every single combination one at a time, serially. This is why our encryption is safe, for now. The qubit, however, allows the quantum computer to try every single solution simultaneously. It is checking thousands of locks at once. This instantaneous connection is the engine that allows the quantum computer to perform calculations that should be physically impossible for any machine.
In 1994, the theoretical weakness was exposed by a mathematician named Peter Shor.
The only thing standing between the quantum computer and Q-Day is a single number, 4099.
The world's major powers, the US, China, Russia, are locked in a secret technological Cold War, sprinting toward that number.
But Q-Day, the day the machine is finished, is not the only danger. Every encrypted communication, every sensitive file you send today, is being intercepted and copied by global intelligence agencies. They can't read it now, but they don't have to. This is the Untold strategy.
They are collecting your secrets, waiting for the day they simply switch on the finished quantum machine. That moment changes everything.
For governments, the consequences are unimaginable.
The moment Q-Day arrives, the digital past will be brutally exposed, laying all national secrets completely bare.
This crisis, however, forced humanity into the biggest technological scramble in history, the urgent global race for a solution.
If the quantum computer breaks our old locks, we need a lock built on a math problem even quantum mechanics cannot easily solve.
But this shift is a monumental undertaking. Every secure system, every server farm, every device on Earth must be upgraded.
This is not a simple software patch. This is a fundamental re-engineering of the entire digital foundation.
The secure future depends entirely on how fast we can run this global, physical, and digital upgrade. The stakes could not be higher.
Can we re-engineer the entire digital world using this strange history of mathematics before the quantum machine turns our current secrets into open history? The clock is ticking toward the moment when all our digital locks suddenly mean nothing. The only certainty is the speed of science. Your banking is safe today. Your passwords work right now. But the invisible technological war is being fought deep beneath the earth.
This story shows that the most immediate threats to our society are often not physical, but purely scientific.
What do you think is a bigger threat to your personal freedom? A lone hacker or a breakthrough in physics?
Remember, this entire crisis began with a single change in physics, the leap from a simple bit to a superpositioned, hyper-powerful qubit.
The solution, too, lies in mathematics. Complex, non-linear problems designed to stump even the
This silent, intense engineering is the work of a global community,
racing against the inevitable deadline that hangs over our digital lives.
The machine is a monument to human ingenuity. But like the dawn of any great power,
Because in a single moment, the entire history of the internet, 2 decades of secrets, could be brought into the light by a power we are only just learning to control.
For now, the system holds. Your digital life is secure. The question is not if the quantum threat is coming.
It's when. Hit the notification bell to explore more shocking, bizarre, untold stories from the cutting edge of science and technology.
The quantum leap is here. The unbreakable locks are now vulnerable. This fundamental power has changed everything. Remember the threat. Your sensitive data is already being stored, waiting silently for the quantum key to unlock the past.
But humanity is fighting back. The brightest minds are synthesizing the lattice-based mathematics to build the impenetrable digital fortress.
The 4 winning algorithms from NIST will become the bedrock of the internet's future security, if we can install them in time. The race is a logistical nightmare. Every second matters. We are literally racing the fundamental laws of physics.
The quantum machine is waiting.
What's your take on Q-Day? Share your thoughts below. And for more bizarre, shocking, untold stories, make sure you hit subscribe.
The process is fragile. Quantum computers must be kept colder than deep space to function.
the developers of the new encryption work around the clock. Their race is not against a clock.
This is the quantum age, a new era of power where physics and data are colliding.
Remember to share this untold story with friends who need to know what's coming in the digital world.
Your support helps us uncover more shocking, weird science secrets that are shaping our future.
Don't forget to let us know your favorite part of this strange history in the comments below.